Hello, hello, hello! Hi everyone! Today's video we're going to make a super delicious dessert. Plus, these treats are so easy and simple to make. And you're gonna love the deep and rich chocolate in it. Yummy! So, let's get started. First, we're going to butter 3 ramekins and preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. In a double boiler, melt the good quality semi-sweet chocolate and butter and stir until it's smooth. And then, we're going to whisk 2 eggs and 2 yolks in the stand mixer. Then add the sugar, mix until thick and pale. Now, we're going to fold in the chocolate to the egg mixture. And add in the flour, then mix. Transfer the batter to the buttered ramekins. And let's bake them for around 6 to 8 minutes. Let them sit for a minute before transferring them to a dessert plate. And ta-da! After sprinkled with powdered sugar and a scoop of vanilla ice cream, our rich and delicious dessert is ready to serve. Yummy! So, don't forget to try this recipe at home. Bye!